Alam mo yung weird na part ng VA job search is nag-a-apply ka naman, active ka naman, consistent ka pa nga minsan, pero after all that, wala pa ring reply, wala pa ring interview. So ang thinking mo is baka hindi lang talaga ako napapansin. Pero yung truth is, you're not just being ignored. You're not memorable. Let that sink in. Kasi sa dami ng applications na dumadaan sa clients, hindi lang question is, qualified ba to? Ang totoong question is, do I remember this person after 10 seconds? And the most generic applications, they don't survive that test. If your application sounds like, I am hardworking and willing to learn, I have experience in admin tasks, I am applying for this position, that's not well, that's not technically wrong, but it's forgettable. Kasi walang hook, walang personality, walang specific connection sa role. So after reading it, wala nang emotional trace. And when there's no memory, there's no follow-up. Now, now compare that to something more intentional. Let's say you're referencing their specific need na mention mo sa application mo. You're showing relevant experience immediately, and you're speaking directly to their problem. Suddenly, meron kang impact, may recall, and may identity. So instead of asking bakit wala pa akong response or bakit wala akong responses, tanungin mo yung sarili mo kung memorable ka nga ba talaga or you're just another application in the pile. Kasi in VA job hunting, being seen is not enough. You need to be remembered. And the moment your application becomes unforgettable, that's when replies start coming in.